In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use charts in Monday.com to visualize your data, track progress, and make better decisions using your boards and dashboards. Whether you're managing projects, sales pipelines, marketing campaigns, or team workloads, charts help you turn raw data into clear insights in just a few clicks. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also show you how to use chart widgets inside dashboards for multi-board reporting. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Monday.com tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log into your Monday.com account and open the board that contains the data you want to visualize. This could be a project board, CRM board, task tracker, or anything else where you're collecting structured information. Charts pull directly from the data in your columns, so make sure your board is properly organized with statuses, numbers, people, or date columns before you begin. Once you're inside your board, go to the top menu and click on Views, then select plus Add View. From the list of available view types, choose Chart. As soon as you click it, Monday.com will generate a chart automatically using your existing board data. You'll now see the chart view along with a settings panel on the right side of your screen. Next, choose your chart type. In the settings panel, you can select from several options, including bar chart, pie chart, line chart, stacked bar, donut chart, and radar chart. Each chart type serves a different purpose. Bar charts are great for comparisons. Pie and donut charts are ideal for proportions. Line charts work well for trends over time, and stacked bars help you compare group data. As you click between options, the chart updates instantly so you can preview what works best for your data. Now it's time to define what you want to analyze. You'll configure your x-axis and y-axis using the drop-down menus. For the x-axis, which represents what you're measuring, you can choose columns like status, people, drop-down, or groups. For example, selecting status will show how many tasks are in each stage. For the y-axis, which represents how you're measuring it, you can choose count of items, sum of a numbers column, or average of a numbers column. If you just want to see how many tasks exist per status, choose count. If you're tracking budgets or revenue, you might select sum of a numbers column instead. Monday.com instantly recalculates and visualizes the results based on your selection. If you want to narrow down your data, use filters. At the top of the chart view, click Filter. Here you can apply conditions such as status equals done, people equals a specific team member, group equals marketing, or date equals this week. Filters allow you to focus on specific segments of your data without changing the underlying board. As soon as you apply a filter, the chart updates automatically. Now let's take this a step further and talk about dashboards. Dashboards are powerful because they allow you to combine multiple boards into a single reporting view. To create one, go to the left sidebar and click Dashboards, then select New Dashboard. Give it a name and open it. Inside the dashboard, click plus Add Widget and choose Chart. Unlike a simple board view, dashboard chart widgets allow you to select multiple boards as data sources. After choosing your board or boards, you can select the chart type, define your data source columns, and choose your grouping method. This is especially useful for leadership reporting or cross-team analysis because you can visualize information from several boards in one unified chart. And that's how you use charts in Monday.com, both inside a board and within dashboards. With just a few clicks, you can transform your task data into meaningful insights, monitor performance, and make smarter decisions. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Monday.com guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.